Assalamualaikum grade 1. How are you all? I hope that you are fine at your places. Now this is the time of our science lesson. Last week we have started our new chapter on sounds, that what are sounds and from where the sound come from. So today we'll study about the types of sounds. So open your page number 115. What types of sounds are there? Some sounds are loud, like you must have heard the thundering of clouds and a flash of lightning. So, which type of sound you heard? You heard the sound like this. So this is a loud sound as it comes from the sky to you. So the sound we can hear a loud sound far away. Loud sound may harm our ears. So what can we do to protect our ears? We can put ear protectors to protect our ears from loud sound. A worker drilling into the ground, the sound of drilling machine is also very loud. Some sounds are soft, like tick tick of a clock, that is a soft sound. Like this. So you heard that this sound is a soft sound. We cannot hear a soft sound well, like a girl whispering to her friend. When you whisper in the ear of your friend, the sound is not heard by anyone, so that is a very soft sound. A doctor uses a telescope to listen to the soft heartbeat of his patient. That when you go to the doctor, you hear your doctor check you with a stethoscope, and that sound is very soft, like this. Listen to a bus drive past. Does its engine sounds become louder or softer as it moves away? So if there is a bus near you and the driver start the engine of a bus, what you heard? You heard the sound like this. And then that bus go far away from you, and you heard the sound of a bus engine, slow, low and low. A sound becomes softer as it travels away from its source. So these are the loud and soft sound. Now some sounds are high. Which sounds are high? Like a whistle blowing. You must have heard the whistling sound of a whistle. So it is a very high sound. And a mouse squeaking and a glass breaking. When a glass break, it produces a very high sounds. Some sounds are low, like if there is a cow and it's is mooing, its sound is very low, like this. And also a drum being hit. If a drum is being hit, it produces a low sound. So many sounds are there which produces a low sound, like a train rumbling. When a train is coming towards any station, its sound is low sound. Like this. So there are also some sounds which are pleasant and some sounds are unpleasant. Pleasant sounds are those sounds which are good to our ears when we hear them, like listening to songs, listening to rhymes. They are very pleasant to our ears. And unpleasant sounds are called noises, like when there is a noise in the park and the noise in the hospitals that doesn't seems good to your ears. So those sounds are called noises. I hope now you understand the types of sounds. Thank you.